So guys, this is Hai Ramadan. It's basically the Ramadan market, and I went inside because I had to get some henna applied, but then I thought that the what you call it would be, they would charge me much for that henna application, but actually no, they weren't asked to apply very less one, and that's why. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. You could see Hai Ramadan in front of me. So guys, it's been a while since I came here. Do you see this pretty bee? It looks so cool. So usually I try to come to Expo City in every Ramadan, but this had been a bit busier, so that's why I couldn't come. And believe you me, it's the day before the Eid. It's the Chandrat, and it was just announced a while back that we are having the Eid tomorrow. So that's why I just came here the last night before Eid to celebrate the festivity of Eid Chandrat here at Expo City, Dubai. So let's go, stay tuned. And I'm going to the Al Wasl Dome because all the festivity, it happens over there. Make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries and stay tuned for a lot of interesting, exciting content for you guys. Here we have these directions towards different places in the Expo City because it's huge, it's too big. I am getting quite near to Al Wasl Dome, so I wanted to show you guys how spectacular it looks from here, and see how it's changing colors. It's really spectacular. And there's some show going on inside as well. Let's go inside and see what's in there for us today. Before going inside, I wanted to show you the details. So guys, the ticket is for 35 AED, and then there are various timings for different shows, like you know, the details are mentioned, and it's all in Arabic, but I think the other side would have English over it. Let me go towards that here side. Are the details of the Iftar in Suhoor, and there are different packages for different years of age that you can get. But as it's Eid tomorrow, so there's no Iftar al Suhoor now. It will be Eid prayers in the morning, inshallah. And this is the Al Wasl Dome. Let's get inside and show you what's happening over here. It's a Ramadan market and Chandrat market over here today. So there are a lot of eateries over here as well. Last times at different occasions it wasn't that much. So we have days, we have salt. At the back we had Joe the juice, and then we have attractions for the kids. We have sweets, and here we have an orchestra being played, as you can see. So they are known as Firdaus Orchestra. Let me zoom in the name for you guys. And yeah, they are playing their different songs. So let's go, let's explore the whole market. So guys, this is the side of the market that's really happening now, because as it's the Chandrat, everybody wants to have henna applied on their hands. I've also come for the same, and do you see how amazing it looks? Let's go get our appointment, get the henna done on our hands, and I'll show you how it goes about. Yeah. So guys, this is Hai Ramadan. It's basically the Ramadan market, and I went inside because I had to get some henna applied, but then it was so less. Let me show you. It's just this that she applied, which is pretty less. So I am now going on a hunt for at a place where I can get more applied. And these are the kind of tickets that we got, that we firstly, as when we purchased the ticket, we got them, and then we can buy it, and whatever we are purchasing inside this whole Ramadan market, it's always, and it's based out of these tickets. So you can give one and you can buy some food items, you can give two for henna, etc, etc. So it's just an experience, and it's lovely. I have so many left, like 7 of them. I thought that it would be, they would charge me much for that henna application, but actually no, they were asked to apply very less one, and that's why. Anyhow, this is Hai Ramadan for now, and everybody has gone to celebrate their Chandrat, that's why it's empty. So let us also go to another place and see if we can get henna applied from there. And stay tuned, the night is still young. Came here at the beach at one of my favorite places at Chandrat, searching for some good henna to be applied on the hands, but couldn't be able to find anything related to that. But apart from that, there's everything over here. So let's go enjoy the night. And this time, unfortunately, I have not been able to get it today before the Eid, but hopefully tomorrow I may be able to get it done from somewhere. And it's a lesson for me as well. Do not go to try new places on such occasions, because everywhere it's flooded and you never know what's there. So it's better to make sure you go to the places you already know, or you know that okay, the thing that you want to get is being done over there or not. So now it's time to have some food, and it's almost 11:35, and let's go have something, and then we'll leave for home, because tomorrow at 6:30 AM is the Eid prayer, inshallah, here in Dubai. So as I told you guys that we would be coming here for food, so we had food. We were so hungry. We had a sushi platter and fries, and that's it for the Chandrat. And I got my henna done as well on both my hands, and the mission was successful. We did get henna done while being at the JBR beach, and the pricing was also really good. So if any one of you wants to have henna applied within the Eid days, come to JBR, and the lady is very fine, and the price is very economical as well, and you can get a good design being made. She's very capable, she's very quick. And yeah, with that, I would just like to take a leave from you guys. It's about 1 AM in the morning, and see, does it seem like 1 AM? Everybody is just enjoying their night over here. And with that, I would also like to take leave from you guys with all this food that's being consumed by us. And we'll catch up in my very next video, which would be different this time, different places that I'll visit on Eid. And yeah guys, I'll take a leave from you guys now, and until next time, take care. Eid Mubarak from my side, and Allah Hafiz.